Do you have a girl child and you're looking for a simple wig to make for her and you want to make it yourself? This video is for you. Welcome to Child Hairs. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this lightweight Afro kinky wig for your girl child. So watch and learn. The first step is to carry your bonding cap. This is bonding cap, not wig cap. So if you go to the market, ask them for bonding cap, then you wear it on your mannequin head and adjust it to the size you want. Then you get your headband, then any type of headband you want to use, wear it to, then bring it down after the bonding cap. We bring it down like this. After bringing it down, then we're going to bring our Afro kinky series. You bring out one, remove the band from it, then cut it into two. That is the size we're going to be using. You divide it into two, so everything that you're going to use, you're going to divide into two. Then we will start our crocheting. So you will notice that on the headband there are holes here, so you just follow up the hole. From the hole you will insert to the edge of the bonding cap. You put your Afro series, bring it out, then knot it. It's just easy. So one hole each, you follow all the holes. You will crochet the Afro series through every hole round the cap to the edge of this bonding cap. Just follow closely what I am doing, then you will get yours right. You get every hose round the cap, you will crochet the Afro series. Then after doing that, I'm going to be telling you the next step, so just watch this step closely. If you have watched this video to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe, hit the notification bell so be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. So I am done crocheting around the cap for this first step. So the second step is this line now above. You can see it. We are going to crochet, but this time we are not going to be crocheting it closely together. We're going to leave a little bit of space and crochet the line on top. So you can see that we crocheted the first line below, that's at the tip of the head, the bonding cap. Then we crocheted above that thick line. So there's a little space between the first line and the second line, but horizontally there will be a little space. You get, so we are not crocheting closely like we did in the first line. So we're going to leave a little space, you see. So we are done crocheting this second line. You can see that there's a little space between the first and the second line. So the next step, we are going to crochet at the middle. The same thing we did at the second line, but it's at the middle. You leave a little space while crocheting. You get, just do the same thing. So we are done crocheting the middle part, so we're going to pack everything up with a rubber band. So you want to do this slowly, don't just pack everything like that. You want to do this slowly so everything will fit well. You get everything will fit where we gather well, so you do it slowly. So after packing it up with a rubber band, we're going to sew round with your needle and thread so that it will be firm, so that when the rubber band loosen, everything will not just fall out like that. You get, so like this now, it will hardly fall out. It will hardly, the hair will hardly even scatter. You get, if you don't tack it like this, the hair will easily get scattered and rough. But when you tack it, everything will be tight, so it will hardly get scattered and it will hardly get rough. So you will tack the hair like this. Just follow my own direction, then you will know how you will tack yours. Tack it round, then going up, tack it round, going up, go to the middle part, you tack the middle together. So that is how to tack this hair with your needle and thread. So we are done tacking it with the needle and thread. So we're going to trim the hair. Just bring the hair out with your hand and be trimming. Bring it out with your hand and be trimming. When you bring it up, you see that there is no excess strand, then you stop trimming. You can see that there's no more excess strand. It's now fluffy and well coordinated. So we are finally done with the wig. If you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. So MB, this is my son. I don't have a daughter, so I use my son to experiment this wig.